Hello, this is me again for this another update video for January 25th, 2023. And right now it's about around 8:42 in the morning. Yep. I'm still waiting for like that snow to start. Yep. They're putting up this gate over there? Yep. So that's your little update, folks, for the putting up like the rest of the gate up. And I'll see you like a little later. And please comment, subscribe to Ring the Bell if you like other previous videos about this construction site that we've been working on for the past 3 weeks. See you later.